Alrighty, hey everyone, it's Garrison, and here it's time to say goodbye to the Lexus ES here. Now, we did take delivery of it December of 2015. It's currently December of 2019. As you can see, it's the atomic silver with the black leather interior. As far as our wheels go, they have those 17-inch alloys riding on Michelin tires. We are going to need tires in about 15,000 miles, so that's one reason we are selling. Don't want to have to put tires on it. It's kind of been an extraneous vehicle in the fleet ever since we did get that Elantra about 6-7 months ago, which has racked up almost 18,000 miles so far. So it's time to say goodbye to this, go ahead and allocate those funds to something a little bit better, and get my mom out of daily driving the Commander. So if you did take a hint, we are over here at Lee Nissan of Wilson, North Carolina, literally the middle of nowhere. But they had a great deal on a vehicle out here, so we're just gonna check that out. Mom just test drove it, and we're saying goodbye to the ES today. So we'll go ahead and hop in and start it up, kind of get a final mileage check on it. So that's 4 years and about 60,000 miles on the ES. As you can see, the seat wear, this is the real genuine leather. And my dad's by no means a tiny individual. I don't think these were ever really conditioned or wiped down much. So that's kind of worst case wear and tear right there. As you can see, those WeatherTech floor mats, of course, those are gonna come with it. We have no use for those. Final mileage is 59,138. Foot on the brake, button to start. And I think the only feature that we are going to be losing in the new vehicle is going to be cooled seats. Otherwise, power tilt and telescoping wheel. It's actually going to have 360 cam, stuff like that. So a bunch of new features too. It's still going to have radar cruise, lane departure alert, stuff like that. You have all your windows. As you can see, your steering wheel with the wood grain. Honestly, I wasn't too much of a fan of the wood grain without the heated function, just because it is so temperature sensitive. It does absorb a lot of heat or a lot of cold temperatures in the cold. As you can see, your audio as well as your buttons over here for cruise, gauges, and then you can see your navigation system up top. One thing that was a must for my mom's next vehicle is it had to be a touchscreen. She said she didn't want any remote down here. So that was something we had to work around. As you can see, a cup holder right there. She actually did test drive a GX, but she did not like the GX due to the side swinging hatch. So that was the deciding factor for her. Oh, let's go ahead and unlock the rest of the vehicle. Kind of go around briefly. As you can see, just have my jacket back here. Rear seat was rarely used, maybe once or twice every few months. And then coming around back, we did have to get the bumper repainted. A couple months ago, I'd say, my dad actually closed the garage door on the rear bumper, and so that was actually replaced, repainted, and the rear bumper applique was thrown back on. Opening up that power trunk, as you can see, plenty of room, and that ski pass through right there. No folding seats, unfortunately. But wrapping things up, that's going to be about it for the Lexus ES. It's been a really good run, a solid vehicle nonetheless, and I really hope we see ourselves in a Lexus in the future as well. But thank you guys for watching. Any questions or comments about our ownership, feel free to leave them down below, and the vehicle reveal will be coming soon. Bye now.